On a rainy Tuesday, a weary barista named Mara shared a small smile with a stranger nursing a broken umbrella. That tiny moment reminded Mara how kindness compounds, as she lent her spare umbrella and later offered a ride to a nervous job seeker. Witnesses saw how the relief melted into stubborn hope, and Mara realized her doubts were weather forecasts, not limits. They talked in the car, turning fear into plans, and the interview that seemed doomed opened a doorway. If a single act can shift a day, imagine what a steady, kind habit can do for a life.